out to David at Top Shine Mobile Detailing for helping me this week. He finished polished this bad boy here. Whoa, the silver's popping. What did I do? Oh, Ceramic Pro Gold. Mr. Ladd, this is his second vehicle bringing it to me, trusting me to coat his vehicle with a professional coating. He went from another coating company to Ceramic Pro. He's now going to witness the pink side. Thank you, Mr. Ladd. I hope you enjoy it. You ended up with 4 installations of Ceramic Pro 9H. That's the top of the graphite scale in hardness, and 1 application of top coat, which is that silica field yummy goodness, slippery. I just want to keep touching my vehicle, part of the coating system. It's got a lifetime warranty. And then he's on Carfax too. Thank you, Mr. Ladd, for your business, and the beast is ready.